After watching this video, you'll never ever struggle to find a manufacturer again. I found every single manufacturer that I personally use using this method. So the first thing you need to do to be able to find these manufacturers is download an app called Alibaba. I'll leave a link down below, that way it's even easier. So once you get the app downloaded, create your account, add in all the information that you possibly can. That way it's just as easy as possible to start talking to these manufacturers. Search through the home feed to find the products that are similar into your interest if they already start coming up. If they don't automatically start coming up, just go into the search tab and start looking up t-shirts, shorts, hoodies, whatever the case may be that you're trying to find a manufacturer for. Even if it's bags, even if it's a water bottle, you can find a manufacturer using Alibaba. Once you find an item that you like and a manufacturer that looks trustworthy, you want to send a message by clicking chat now. In the message, you want to send the product that you've seen that you like. That way it'll show the price and the similar product. So that way the manufacturer knows exactly what you're looking for. Ask them what their MOQ is and what the prices are like. Ask them for price breakdowns if you're looking to buy more than 100. Once you send them that message, send a separate message underneath it asking what their shipping rate is to your zip code. If you want a better shipping quote, you can send them your address. There is a little button after you fill out all the information to get an exact shipping quote, and that way it makes it even easier once you do place an order with a manufacturer. They already have your address. If you want to get an even better shipping quote, you can look for other people on Alibaba that do shipping services. So what this is, let's say for example you ordered shirts. They get your shirts shipped to them, and then once they get them, they relabel them with your shipping address and take them straight to you. So basically all they are is a middleman, but they get the best quotes possible because they ship so many packages. That's why they are trusted and they do get better quotes than your manufacturer may get. Your manufacturer may be very small, or they may be not shipping as much packages as a shipping agency. Once your manufacturer starts responding, they're immediately going to ask for your design details. You could either send this before they respond to you, or you can just send this once they start asking details, because this is going to be the best possible way to get a quote for your items. Send them your design, or you can send them a very similar design of a hoodie, shirt, whatever the case may be that you're looking for, and they will give you a quote on what it is. If you're trying to make the product cheaper for you to buy, ask them what you can change about the product to make it cheaper. What can you do to take off this amount of money? Be aware, every single manufacturer is out there to take your money, not give you product. So you want to be very specific with these manufacturers and tell them exactly what you want and how you want it. If there's a lack of communication, you should not be working with them. Also, every single manufacturer should be able to negotiate within a $5 budget. Some of them might be very, very tight and they're going to be hard to work with at first, but you should definitely inform them that you'll be working with them for a longevity if they provide quality products. Now this brings on the question of, should you get a sample first? Because every manufacturer is going to try to push a sample upon you. So if that is the case and you do want to go the sample route to do a pre-order or just test the quality, tell them that you would take a sample for whatever the budget is that you have. For example, they want to charge you $100, tell them you pay $70. And then you also want to take that $70 or whatever the case may be off of your entire purchase. So whenever you place an order for 100 t-shirts, you want to take that $70 off that total cost. Even if it brings you down to 99 t-shirts, that additional sample makes it 100. So definitely try to work with your manufacturer, see what you can do to make your product as profitable as possible. The lower you get your product, the more profit margin you have, or the cheaper you could sell it. It really depends on what you're selling and how you want to market your product. Is it cheap with high quality? Is it high quality for a high price? Is it low quality with a cheap price? Is it low quality with a high price? It really all depends upon you and how you want to market your brand. Once you get to working with your manufacturer, you want to see what all they can include within that price range. So you should definitely ask them if they can do better neck tags, if they can do better bags, if they can do size tags, like hang tags, what all they can include within that budget. Ask them exactly what you're getting for that price, because some of them will definitely give you better neck tags or whatever it else may be. You just have to ask them. It also might only cost you, a penny, 5 cents more to do a better quality neck tag rather than a screen printed one. If you don't know anything about GSM, you should definitely do research on it and see what GSM you want to be using for your shirts, hoodies, shorts, whatever the case may be, because if you get a cheap quote, they're probably going to give you a super low GSM, which is super lightweight and not comfortable. label. You also want to let them know you want to be using majority of cotton rather than polyester if you're just a regular everyday casual brand. But if you're an athletic brand, then you probably want to be using a lot of polyester. Also be very clear of what type of printing you're going to be doing onto the product. Is it screen print, puff print, DTG, sublimation, or whatever the case may be, embroidery? There's so many different options that you can do, so you definitely want to be informative and as strict as possible with these manufacturers, or they're going to cheat you over and take all your money. So now that you've got all of that information, you're going to be placing your order as soon as possible, right? So you definitely want to ask your manufacturer for factory updates. I have worked with a lot of manufacturers and not all of them will do this, or they will give you very bad quality images, which suck. But if the quality is good on the product, you can't really complain. So what you want to do is ask them for factory photos of it being made step by step. Tell them that you want to show your customers the process along their journey, which you do. This is not a lie, but tell them this up front. That way they can send you a step-by-step process. And then once you do get those photos, if they're good quality, you definitely want to share them with your audience and show them what is being done and how it's being done, because this gives your audience an insider look and make them feel a lot more a part of the process rather than just buying the t-shirt whenever it drops. So I really hope this video helped you out. If you need any more help or have any questions about finding a manufacturer through Alibaba, send me a DM on Instagram or let me know below. Leave a like and subscribe. Turn on post notifications, that way you see the next video. I'm dropping nothing but free game here, so subscribe down below. I'll see you on the next one.